Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are doing good. Okay, so today we will start doing the reading from page number 74. The chapter that we are going through is unit number 10, the solar system. Open your books and with page number 74. From this page, today we will read about what is space. Space is an area in which planets, stars, moons and other bodies exist. Space is everywhere except within the atmosphere of these bodies. You may have heard that space is a vacuum. A vacuum is an area that contains no matter. In fact, there is matter throughout
So
the
happy
space.
to have you here.
Here is a
Let's
video
get started.
regarding to the space because space consists of everything in which
Did
there
you
are
know
planets,
that there
stars,
are
and
more
moons? Just
stars
check
in
it
the
out.
sky than there are grains of sand on the beaches of Earth? That means there are over 1 billion trillion stars. Now, let's hop aboard a rocket ship and zoom into space, where we can get up close to the planets. All of the planets in our solar system orbit around the sun. The sun is actually a star. It is a very hot ball made up of gases and can get as hot as 3.5 million degrees. Our sun heats up the planets and provides us with light. Did you know that 1 million Earths could fit inside of the sun? The planet closest to the sun is Mercury. Mercury is also the smallest planet in our solar system. It has extreme temperature changes. It can be as hot as 840 degrees during the day and 275 degrees below zero at night. The second closest to the sun is Venus. Venus is the brightest planet and has more than 1,600 volcanoes. Venus also has very strong and fast winds, sometimes reaching up to 450 miles per hour. The third planet from the sun is our home planet, Earth. 70% of Earth's surface is covered in water. Earth is the only planet known to have life. This is because it has oxygen and water and doesn't get too hot or too cold. The fourth planet from the sun is Mars. Mars has a huge volcano that is 3 times the size of Mount Everest. It is named Olympus Mons and is the tallest peak of any of the planets. The fifth planet from the sun is Jupiter. Jupiter is so big you could fit all of the planets in our solar system inside of it. There is a red spot on Jupiter that is actually a huge storm, 3 times the size of Earth. The sixth planet from the sun is Saturn. Saturn is the second biggest planet in our solar system. It has big rings made up of rocks and ice. These rings are huge. They're over 150,000 miles wide. The seventh planet is Uranus. Like Saturn, Uranus also has rings, just not quite as big. The eighth planet from the sun is Neptune. Neptune is a cold, icy planet because it is the farthest from the sun. Meteoroids are small pieces of rock or metal that have broken off from a comet or an asteroid. Astronauts get to do research up in space. While there, they live on board a space station. It is the biggest object ever flown in space. It orbits the Earth 16 times a day.
This is a picture of the space. Here is a book that we have to do today. We will do the question number 3, A part from page number 75 book. Write a short note on space. The answer is space is the area in which planets, stars, moons and other bodies exist. Space is everywhere except within the atmosphere of these bodies. A vacuum is an area that contains no matter. In fact, there is matter throughout the space. There are gases and dust in space, but they are far less matter than is found on planets and stars. You have to write down this answer in your notebook. Here, next is a picture of the space. It's up to you if you want to draw it. It's very easy. I know you all can do this. Now here is a video regarding to the topic. Just check it out.
Space. Let's go on a journey to outer space. First, we must get in my rocket ship. Rocket ship. Rocket ship. 3, 2, 1, blast off! Wow! There are so many things to see up here. In our solar system, we have 8 planets. Solar system. Solar system. Sun. Sun. Planet. Planet. Earth is a planet. Earth. Earth. We have a lot of satellites in space. They give us useful information about the weather. Satellite. Satellite. There is the moon. 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 Look at all the stars. 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 Look out! There's an asteroid coming straight at us. Asteroid. Asteroid. Woo! That was a close one. Let's go a little further out. This is our galaxy. 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 In the center of the galaxy, there's a black hole. Black hole. Black hole.
I hope you all have learned that what space is.
Space.
Thank you so much, my students.